Hi everyone, it's Gail. I am here with Etsy Shares bonus video today. Today is Monday the 7th, and I first want to apologize to everyone for my video this morning having ads in it. I have to manually take those ads out of every video. Obviously, I must have forgotten to do it on that one. And so I fixed it as soon as I got the first of many comments about that there were too many ads. And I do apologize. I have to, like I say, I have to manually take those out. And so I do that for my viewers. I mean, I would probably, I don't know, make 4 times as much from YouTube if I didn't take those ads out, but I do it for you because I know that it's hard to watch when you have a lot of commercials. I mean, there's a lot of channels that I watch that have leave those in, and you get kind of used to it. You just skip the ad and go on. But again, I know my viewers prefer not to have them, so I take them out. So anyway, I apologize. I'm not going to say it'll never happen again because you know who you're working with here. And I will probably forget another time, but you know, just maybe look at the comments and see if somebody else has already said something, because I will immediately, when I'm reminded that I didn't take the ads out, I will immediately go in and fix it. But so I only need 1 or 2 comments, probably don't need 50. Oh, Lordy. Okay. Well, it's just a challenge some days, but we have Etsy shares, and that is so happy. That's going to make me happy. This one is from my Handmade Ephemera. It's my pal Judy from Handmade Ephemera. And, so I'm excited. I haven't opened it. I was waiting to do it with you guys. Oh, that's so cute. Thank you, Judy. That's going to be super cute in my little correspondence journal. Let's see what she sent. Ooh. Oh, how fun. Sorry, I'm stuck. I'm stuck to a sticky note here. There we go. Alrighty then. Oh my gosh, it's a stuffed pocket. Isn't that yummy? Oh, and she's got sticky notes on to say, let's see. Oh, so fun. So, sample of ephemera currently in her shop. So, some of these items, she says, are just one of a set. Yep. She's turned to doing multiples because it's more cost effective on the postage end of things. Okay. So, here we go. Let's look. Tag, tuck, spot, or pocket sold in a set of 3. Oh, isn't that cute? So it's got a little pocket right there, and it's got a pocket on the side. Oh, I love it. And it's out of Tim Holtz. So of course it's wonderful. So that's the tag, tuck, spot, or pocket. Vintage advertising pocket tuck spot sold individually. Oh, isn't that a cute way to do Timmy? One of Timmy's pockets. Look at that. Isn't that cute? Okay. Oh, I love that. That's super cute, Judy. Oh, so cute. Okay. Love it. Love it. And then this is Fall Woodland Journal Cards sold in pairs. Oh my gosh, that is adorable. I don't know, can you see the little mushrooms and a pumpkin? So nice. Oh, that's so cute. And this, oh, sold in pairs. Here's the other one. So her layering on there, oh, just so much fun. That's so fun. Oh, I love it, Judy, love it. Tuck spot sold in sets of 6. Oh yeah. Oh, I love that. That is so cute. That could actually, my little brain's going, that could actually be made into Christmas with that star there. I'm thinking, could it be in a Christmas journal? Okay. Oh, look, here's a little altered paper clip. Super cute. Doesn't that just dress up that pocket, putting that on there? Love that. This is layered journal cards sold as a pair. So I think she put in 2. Oh, love your collage, Judy. So fun. So layered journal cards. And then look at the sack in the back. Isn't that awesome? Belly band with tag journaling spot sold in pairs. Oh, yep. See how it comes out? Oh, isn't that cute? Love the big butterflies. Very fun. Very fun. Thank you so much, Judy. Yeah, my Handmade Ephemera, she's one of my favorite shops. So, yeah, so if you want to go check some things out, let's see here. I forget how this was all in here. But it was so cute. The pocket, so cute. Thank you so much, Judy. Those are some fun ephemera pieces. Oh, and then she just tucked this here to kind of hold. Okay, so that is my handmade ephemera from Judy. It's our first one. Let's see. Then we've got Chris O Art and Design. And I'm just going to pull this off. She's got this beautiful watercolor card. Oh, and it's got a bunny right there. Can you see that tiny bunny? Oh, oh, she's enclosed labels. Made with scans from my collection of old family letters, postcards, and envelopes. Thanks for all the ideas, techniques you share. Oh, cool. The view on this card is the view from my front window. See the bunny? I do see the bunny, Chris. That's awesome. Oh, this is interesting paper. Need to save that. Oh, look at her. Look at her fun labels. Oh, those are great. Dates, numbers, and labels on her shop, and it's Chris O Art and Design Shop. Of course, I'll have all the links in the description box. Oh, these are great, Chris. Thank you. You know I'll use those. Oh, I love the things that you put on them. Those are really cool. Thank you, Chris. I love the bunny card too. That's so fun. So Chris O Art and Design Shop. And then I have, this is from Selena at Amore Fabrics. This was a little purchase that I made. I thought it would be fun. She had these little sort of packs of embroidery, and I thought, wouldn't that be fun? Oh, those are great. Look at that one for a fall journal. Oh, it's just the bits. It's just bits and bits. It's so cool though. Those will be fun to play with, and I won't have to worry about cutting into something because it's already cut into. Oh yeah, those are so fun. Thank you so much, Selena, for offering those. Those are so fun. Oh, that one, I love that one. So bright and happy. Aren't those cool? Oh, that's another bright, happy one. Oh, so much fun. Okay, there's my little receipt. And then she sent this. I think this might have been kind of a thank you and or showing another thing she's got in her shop. So these are all stampy things, you know, that are right into the envelope. And then an old postcard, 1907. Wow. Don't cry, little girl, don't cry. You can share my home with me, but there ain't no tables and there ain't no chairs, there ain't no ceilings and there ain't no stairs. It's only a humble doorstep, but there's room for you and I. You're homeless, I see, so share it with me. Don't cry, little girl, don't cry. Oh, that'll make me, that is so sad. Oh my goodness. Oh, yeah. Well, goodness. I do love these. I really do love these. Thank you, Selena. Those are real fun. Those will be fun to play with. Okay, and then I wanted to show you guys this. Let me go in a little bit. So this is from Tsunami Rose. She has some Christmas wrapping paper kits, and these are set 57, 58, and 59. I just pulled out some ones that I wanted to use, and so I just thought I'd flip through them for you. They're awesome. These are awesome, Daisy. I think they'll be so fun. I love the retroness of them. And yeah, so she has these. She also has some wonderful tags and shipping tags and journal cards and stuff. She's started to kind of put more diverse folks on her tags and shipping cards, so I thought that was really neat. They don't really fit with what I'm doing. They're a little too vintage for what I'm doing right now, but these are perfect, these retro ones. So these are Tsunami Rose. Okay, now I have emails galore, announcements. Home Book and Treasure has 50% off in her shop for you, for my viewers. Gail50 is the code. And so I'll put that information in the description box as well. Let's see. This is from my pal Minxie, Victoria Minxie Barron. And she has renamed her Etsy shop. It used to be Northern Craftaholic UK. Now it's Minxie Studio UK. She currently has a sale running in her Etsy shop, 50% off of digitals. And it will go to the end of January 2021. No coupon code required. Let's see. That already happened. Line Dot Arrow has 35% off their single page and small digitals. Line Dot Arrow 35 is the code. Catered Paper, promo code ThankScale, 20% off until December 31st. And let's see. This is Junk Journal Ephemera, 20% off till December 31st with coupon code Gail's subscribers. And then this one is this one's already happened. Okay. Next, and last but not least, let's just say that, last but not least. So these are some more of the digitals from Far Mirage on Etsy. I just wanted to flip through them for you. Let me tell you what kits, that's important. Birds and Butterflies is this one's called. Birds and Butterflies. And these are kind of sideways, but I think you can see. Birds and Butterflies. That one's upside down. Maybe they need to go this way. still in frame. Okay. These are great for side tucks or bookmarks, aren't they? Look at how beautiful those are. Colors are spectacular. This one, it's still birds and butterflies. Journal cards, little. And this one is Birds in the Garden add-on. Birds in the Garden add-on. This is Birds and Butterflies add-on. Some tickets. Wonderful tags. Still Birds and Butterflies add-on. Aren't they pretty? Oh, I'm just so stunned at the colors in these digitals. Still Birds and Butterflies add-on. Just gorgeous. Birds in the Garden add-on. Birds in the Garden add-on. Still Birds in the Garden add-on. Birds of the Wild Wood add-on. Oh, those are fun. Birds in the Garden add-on. Birds in the Garden add-on. Butterflies Flutter add-on. Butterflies Flutter. Gosh, those are pretty. So vibrant. Butterfly Flutter. Butterflies Flutter. And Butterflies Flutter add-on. Yeah, so that's the next section of Farmerage that I have to share with you. I'll be sharing that over the weeks. As I said, she sent all of her kits, and so I have much to share there. So anyway, that will be the Etsy share for a few days until I stack up some more things to share with you guys. But thank you so much. And again, I apologize so much for this morning. I'm sorry that your morning started out being frustrated, as did mine. We shared that. So thanks so much for watching, everybody, and we'll just see you in the next video. Have a grateful day. Bye-bye.